Here's how to download YouTube videos with Premium. Now first, just open up the YouTube app on your iPhone, Android, or a computer. The first thing we need to do is make sure you have YouTube Premium. So tap on the U button at the very bottom right. And after you've done that, let's tap on that gear icon at the top right. From here, all you need to do is go to Purchases and Memberships. And from here, you're going to look to make sure that your YouTube Premium membership is active. So just tap on it, and as long as it says cancel here and the next billing date, you're good to go. You can download videos completely on your phone or device. So to be able to do that, let's hop out of here and tap on the home button and open up a video. Let's say this is the one I wanted to download. To be able to download this to offline listening or viewing, I'm going to swipe over. You can see save, clip, remix, and there is download. Tap on that button. However, keep in mind this doesn't always work depending on your settings, and you might want to change some things in the settings to make it work a bit better for you. So to be able to do that, you're going to tap on the U button at the bottom right, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right. From here, let's scroll down until we get to background and downloads. Tap on that. You can see here it says download over Wi-Fi only. So if this is turned on and you're connected to cell data only, it won't download that video. So you might want to consider turning this off. You can also see other things like download quality. If you wanted to download at full HD quality, you need to set that in the settings, or you can choose to ask each time. You can also do things like turn on smart downloads. Essentially, this will basically have an idea of what you might want to watch offline, and it will download those to your phone or device. I usually keep that off. Keep in mind, when these are downloaded onto your phone or computer, they're not downloaded offline in the gallery of your phone. They're still in the YouTube app. And you need to make sure you have enough space to be able to download them. So you can see here storage, and I have 58 gigabytes free. So you need enough space to be able to download them onto your phone. But again, they live in the YouTube app, not in the gallery of your phone to be able to do other things with them. Now let's go back out of here because there's other things I want to show you as well. Once you go to the U button at the bottom right, you can see I can scroll down and there is downloads. Now, here are the couple of videos that I've downloaded. Of course, I can just tap on them and start watching them again. However, keep in mind, if I don't want them anymore, they are taking up space on my phone or computer. So I can tap on those three dots and hit delete from downloads. By going through this process, it will delete those videos and free up space on your phone to be able to download more videos. It does say on here as well, downloads remain available as long as your device is connected to the internet once every 30 days. So if you're disconnected from the internet for longer than 30 days, it will prompt you to reconnect and authorize that you have YouTube Premium. The last thing I want to walk you through is if you have a bunch of devices on your account, you won't be able to download videos. You can check that by going back and tapping on View Google Account, and then tap on Security and Sign In. From here, all we need to do is scroll down until we get to Your Devices and tap on Manage All Devices. Now keep in mind, you can only have 10 devices on your YouTube Premium account to be able to download videos. So if you have tons of devices, phones, tablets, computers, TVs that are all downloading and connected to YouTube Premium, it could prevent you from downloading any more until you go through and choose one of these devices, just tap on it and kick it out or log it off of your account.